Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Fashion Girly Hacks. How are you? I hope you're fine and doing well. With good health and very happiness, and you have a lot of fun in your life. Friend, it's me Asya, and today I show you in this video very attractive and latest collection of low maintenance hairstyle for girls and women. Many much more different and latest variety ideas of low maintenance hairstyle is beautiful haircut. Eye-catching hair dye, and many much more stylish ideas. I hope you like it. First of all, I'll talk about beautiful ideas of hair styling. In low maintenance. Fine hairstyle. Messy hairstyle. Beautiful collection of spiky hairstyle. So beautiful ideas of too short wave and curl horn hair, curly hairstyle. Some ideas natural hair in curly hairstyling. Some ideas make curl with curler. And so beautiful collection of haircut. Pixie haircut, bob haircut, shaggy haircut, wedge haircut, and different type of cut. Some ideas layered. Some ideas depth. your so beautiful collection of undercut and shaved art. Beautiful and eye-catching ideas of undercut and shaved art in today's my collection in low maintenance. And very beautiful eye-catching ideas of hair dye, blonde color, burgundy color, light brown, dark brown, black color, grey color. Some ideas in funky colors. And so beautiful overall ideas, overall collection. In low maintenance for girls and women. If you've seen this video, I hope you like it. If you like it, so try this, and if you tried, I hope it looks so nice. Very stylish and you look too gorgeous. You look very pretty. I hope you must try it. If you're new on my channel, I request you please do subscribe my channel. Like my video, share my video with your friends, your family members and others. And please fully support me, support my channel. My channel can't go without your support, your help, so I hope you do this. And share it all over social media accounts. Like Facebook, Twitter, Insta, and many apps of social media. I hope you must share it. And I request you, if you are not subscribed my channel, please make sure you do subscribe my channel and like my video. So friends, thank you so much for watching my video on my channel. See you soon. I'll write back with new collection, new ideas. Take care of yourself and take care of your loved ones and those around you. I hope you do it. Bye bye.